Hi folks, welcome back to MetaBox Tutorials. Today, we're going to display posts with specific criteria using MetaBox and Zion Builder. Here is my example. In this practice, we'll display the dishes that are currently on sale on an archive page with Zion Builder. Each dish is a post of a custom post type. In addition to the basic information about the dishes, such as the name, description, and the image of the dish, I have these two numbers for pricing: the original price and the promotional price. These prices are stored as custom fields. Only posts which have a value in the promotional price field will be displayed on this page. This is the mentioned criteria. Let's take a look at the tools we'll need for this tutorial. First, we have MetaBox for creating a custom post type and custom fields. In addition, we'll need some advanced features of MetaBox. You can either download its extensions individually or use MetaBox all-in-one, which includes the following extensions: MB Custom Post Types to create a custom post type for the products as well as the dishes. Next, MetaBox Builder is to have a UI in the back end to create custom fields easily. Besides, I use MB Admin Column. It helps to show the custom fields as columns like this. It will help to clarify easier which dishes have the promotional price, means which are on sale. However, this extension is just optional. Finally, we use Zion Builder, specifically its Pro version, to build the page. Let's get started. Go to MetaBox and create a new post type for the dishes. Now you'll see the cuisines menu here. In this case, I just create two custom fields for example. The value stored in these two fields will be set to the condition to choose which dishes will be displayed. You also can add some other custom fields to save more information about your dish, and display them on the page in the same way. Let's create them. In this practice, I use the MB admin columns, so I have the settings like this. You can check the box to show this field as an admin column. Do the same with the promotional price field. This will help you to clarify which post has a promotional price or not, and the dishes on sale will be displayed in the archive page. For example, this post doesn't have promotional price, so this dish will not be displayed on the archive page. After creating all the fields, move to the Settings tab. Choose Location as post type, and then select Cuisines to apply these fields to this post type. Now, you will see the created custom fields when creating a new post in Cuisines. Just fill in the information. These are the posts I created. The original price and the promotion price are shown as admin columns as well to easily clarify which ones will be displayed. Now, we're going to create a new page to display the product's information. Since Zion Builder does not support styling this page title, we'll disable it and create a new one later so that we can style it ourselves. After creating the page, let's edit it with Zion Builder. First, add the section element to cover all the content of the page. Next, choose the container element to have the desired layout. Inside this container, add the heading element to get the page's title. In the dynamic data section, choose the post title option. You see the title of the page displays immediately. To show all the main content of the page for the products currently on sale, add another container element. Since the products are arranged in 3 columns, add a column element. To display multiple posts, we need to enable repeater for this column. In the Advanced tab, choose Repeater Options in the list. Enable the repeater provider, and select the query type as Query Builder. To get all the posts from the wanted post type, in the Post Type section and find the right one you want. In this practice, it's cuisines. To display all the posts in the chosen post type, enable the Repeater Consumer. In this practice, I'll only show the posts that have a value saved in the promotional price field. This is the specific criteria that I mentioned before. To do that, we'll set some advanced conditions in this section. When clicking this one, a pop-up appears, allowing you to define the conditions. The mention condition is set based on the value of a custom field which has this ID. Therefore, choose the Post Custom Field option from the list. And fill in the field ID here. Then, select the Is Set option because my condition is to set whether any value exists in the promotional price field or not. If there is any value in this field, the post will be displayed. Currently, there's nothing displayed here because we haven't got any information to display yet. Now, let's add some elements to display the detailed information about each dish. First, add an image element. Since the image of the dish is also the featured image of the post, click the Use Dynamic Data button and choose Featured Image in the Post section. So all the featured images have been obtained. Next, select the column element to contain the remaining information about the dish. For the dish's name, add the heading element and choose Post Title in the Dynamic Data section. You see that the dish's names display. Add the column element one more time to cover both the original price and promotional price. For the original price of the dish, select the text element. Since this information is saved in a custom field created by MetaBox, use the Dynamic Data button to connect this element to the field. In the list of the options, find the MetaBox field. Then choose the right field you want to display. Here it's the original price field. A number will be displayed without a unit of pricing. To have the unit displayed here, add the currency unit in this box. With the promotional price, do the same. We can duplicate this element and change the corresponding information like I am doing. To get the last information, the dish's description, select another text element. In the Dynamic Data section, choose the Post Content option. Now the dish's descriptions have been obtained. That's all of the information about the dishes I want to show. Back to the front end, and see how it displays. In the Xyon Visual Editor, I'll style each element. Do it on your own. Here I just do it for example. Back to the front end, you can see all of the dishes along with the information that we're looking for. That's the end of today's tutorial. If you want to learn more about how to play around with MetaBox, please watch other tutorials on this channel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to us for more tutorials. Bye.